We will now take a look at the exterior view of the cerebellum. To distinguish the anterior from the posterior of the cerebellum, locate the paraflocculus, which is the most lateral structure, and then protruding from that is the flocculus. Follow the direction in which the flocculus points. It points towards the anterior of the cerebellum. So as you can see, this would be the anterior of the cerebellum. At the base, we have the lingula, then the centralis, then the culmen. This groove over here is the primary fissure. After the primary fissure is the simplex. The protrusion over here would be the tuber vermis. After that comes the perimus, uvulus, and nodulus. The nodulus is the most ventral structure. You cannot see it when the cerebellum is attached to the brain. That is because the nodulus folds inwards. The medial structure is the tuber vermis. Lateral to that, and more rostral, would be the ansiform lobule. Lateral to the tuber vermis, and more caudal, would be the paramedian lobule. The most lateral structure is the paraflocculus, and more anterior and medial to that is the flocculus. The anterior structures can also be generalized as the anterior lobule. They include the lingula, centralis, and culmen. The posterior structures behind the tuber vermis are generalized as the posterior median lobule, so they include the perimus, uvulus, and nodulus. And that concludes PhotoSeries 3.